And we are studying na yung estudyante mabigyan na malaking diskwento. Kasi I said, everywhere I go, ang senior at saka student, may diskwento malaki. 50%, ganun.
Kasi ngayon 20% ang ina-apply po ngayon. So gusto nyo mas malaki?
Mas malaki kasi those are the sectors of government na hirap of the society na hirap sa cash. Estudyante, walang pera ang estudyante usually. Yung mga matatanda ko, kaunti lang ang hawak nilang pera. So bakit pa natin pababayarin? They already serve the country, nagtrabaho sila ng buong buhay nila, dapat naman pagbigyan natin ng konting benepisyo, di ba? Pinahaba natin yung trend, dadalasan natin yung ng trend. Ngayon, those are the things that we can do immediately. Of course, we have the very big projects. Also, we have the subway project. We will be able to open it na maabot na sa Valenzuela. We have the extension of the MRT. So, but these are long-term projects. But they will come. They will come. We will start to see the completion of some of the phases by late this year, next year.
3+1. Marami pong natuwa doon. Ewan ko kung may nakarating na po sa inyo na may mga umaapila. Baka naman gustong gawin na everyday na.
Yung 3+1.
Hindi kaya. May nakarinig po, may na-interview po kami na maganda po yan. Malaking tipid po sa amin. Araw-araw ba yan? Ay, hindi po pwede.
Linggo lang.
Linggo lang.
Kasi namin, linggo is a family
day.
Is a family day. So that's what we are trying to encourage.